Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by protecting your work. Back up the original car folder and export a clean working copy. Once done, install Content Manager and the Assetto Corsa SDK plus KS Editor or an encryption utility. Make sure the game version and mod targets match. Mismatches break files. You should enable developer mode or add the SDK path in settings. This allows export and encryption options to appear. From here, open the car project in KS Editor and confirm textures, physics, and model files are present before proceeding. Now you prepare and encrypt. First, clean unused textures and optimize meshes and levels of detail. This reduces package size and avoids missing assets during encryption. Once cleaned, export the car into a single package, for example a KN5 or zipped folder, and open the KS Editor encryption panel. Set the encryption flags and key options the tool requires, then execute the encrypt command. Watch the output logs. They tell you if files are missing or if hash mismatches occur, so you can fix them immediately. Finish by installing the encrypted package into your game's custom cars folder and test it in Content Manager and in session. You want to verify visuals, physics, sounds, and HUD elements all load. If something breaks, make sure to return to your dev copy. Check console logs, re-export any missing textures or audio, and rerun encryption. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see hash or decryption errors, compare file manifests between dev and encrypted packages. Mismatched file names or paths are usually the cause, fix, and re-encrypt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.